So I've got here a Popsocket Popwallet for MagSafe. So hopefully I'll test for you here how it sticks and how many cards this might be able to handle. So it's easy enough to rip. Okay. So in the box, simple enough. Here's the product. Not a lot to unbox. Ooh. It's really strong. I think it's stronger than the MagSafe wallet. Just the feel. Oh crap. Be careful, you might scratch your case doing that, so be very, very careful that you lift it up rather than slide too much. In any case, once you have the pop socket out, you can even hold it like this for ages and it won't fall, which is a good sign given what it's meant to do. So let's see if I hold for ages, just like I would for reading. That's okay. So I have 4 cards here, which I'll try to put in. 2 goes in okay. It's been advertised up to 3 credit cards, but my use case really requires it that it accepts 4, so let's try 4. So I've got about 3 in there so far. Let's add another one. Does fit 4 in there. It's a bit tight now. Let's try one more. So it fits 5. I actually think it can fit more, because if you see on the side here, it's a, is it rubber or something? It's a stretchy fabric that's here. So I think technically you can push it, but I have a feeling it might rip at some point. So I think it can fit 5. So if you see there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To get things out, so if you attach it here, pretty hefty once you have 5 in there. So that's another thing to note. There's 5 of them in there. Pushing it was fairly difficult. So if I made it like 3 as they advertise, let's see if it's any easier to push. So 1, 2, 3, let's say. Slightly thinner, I think. Oh yeah, way easier to push out. With the 3 in there, still good. I have 4 back in there. Be careful that you don't scratch with your nails there, because I think it's very prone to doing that. Overall, I'm pretty pleased with this. I think I'll be able to use it like this and not feel like it's gonna fall off. If I find that this doesn't really hold up, I will do a follow-up, but otherwise, that was it. Hope that was helpful. If it was helpful in any way, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more of similar content. Otherwise, I will hope to see you in the next video. Bye, thanks for watching.